Break muna sa kamalasan ha.
We're back, but we'll take a break from all this madness.
There are 2 cases of exquisite left there.
Maybe
and
we'll get lucky with the last
But
2 cases.
we'll start with the razor first.
We'll open razor
razor.
cuts.
Razor.
1 of 1. Oh my God.
Oh.
The lucky ones are in here.
Did he start off on the right foot?
Who's that?
1 of 1. Colin Powell.
Uy, Colin Powell. The Secretary of State.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Aren't you reading the papers?
Are you not? I thought you're American citizen.
I get USA Today
I
every
am
day.
dual citizen, American citizen, senior citizen.
Cartoon Network? No, I don't.
Oh, Cartoon Network is the basis.
Colin Powell is the actor.
Come on.
That's Colin Firth.
No, Colin.
Robert Stack, actor of The Untouchables, died 2003.
Pero okay yung Colin Powell.
Colin Powell. Yeah.
Gusto nga na patakbo yung presidente.
1 of 1. Monica Potter,
Monica Potter.
actress.
Sister of Harry Potter.
The one who looks like Julia Roberts.
Si
The actress, Monica
What is
Potter.
stupid guys? Sister of Harry Potter daw.
Oh.
Stupid, she's the sister of Monica Lewinsky, ha?
Just kidding.
No,
So,
Oh my God, you guys.
sister of Monica
1
Lewinsky.
of 1 masterpiece again.
Who? Wait,
Eva Gardner and Mel Ferrer.
who's that?
Mel Ferrer is the
Brother of Tony
Tony
Ferrer.
the local 007 of the Philippines.
Who was later
The
on-
Agent X44.
Later copied by
Wait.
Oliver
Who is also the
Who looks like
our
Steve.
friend.
Why'd you give a complete name?
Oh, sorry. Who is the husband of actress Julia Clarete?
Matthew Perry.
Uy, nice.
Oh, that Friends, huh?
Yeah,
Friends.
Yeah,
Just
we're
like
friends.
we're like friends from.
They're friends.
Yeah, we're not friends anymore.
Just like Steve, ha?
Mr. Steve, ha?
Your former friend.
Your
No,
former
no.
friend.
He's a good friend, you know.
He
No
takes
more
care
friend
of the
anymore.
Yeah, he takes care of our ispakol.
1 of 1. Who's this? Cindy Williams.
Cindy Williams, the sister of Andy Williams. No, seriously.
Sister of Cindy Crawford.
No. Cindy Williams. Who's next?
Zane Grey,
Oh, we don't know.
Old West and adventure novelist, died 1939. I don't know.
Oh, definitely we don't know that person. 1939.
He was just born by that time.
Judy Dench
Judy
Yes.
Dench, the James
Shakespeare.
Bond, the M. M of James
M.
Bond.
and Shakespeare in I don't know.
Judy Dench, right?
Yes.
Yeah, she's a very good actress, but she's very old.
Like our friend, Mr. John Valentino.
Oh, ganun.
Oh, saying the names,
Ed
ha?
Alvarez, you're shouting out, ha?
Oh.
Shout out,
Oh,
ha?
shout out to that guy from Hobby Kings, Mr. George Michael.
George Migan.
Why? What did he say?
He just keeps on YM and all of that. He's one of those good guys on.
Yeah, good
Ah,
guys,
okay.
good guys.
Iko palas, ha?
So if he's a good guy, then we greet you happy birthday.
If he's a bad guy.
Oh, fuck you.
No.
Bad.
No,
Bleep.
sorry. Who is that?
Shirley Jones, the
Oh!
Partridge Family.
Yeah, Shirley Jones.
Who's that?
I don't
Brother
know.
of Tom Jones?
With
Sister of Tom
Sister
Jones?
of Jones. Who's next? Come on, give us something exciting. Muhammad Ali.
Muhammad Ali.
Anne Faris,
Anne Faris.
actress, the
The
House Bunny.
last house
Anna-
bunny. Yeah.
Oh, ano ba?
Anne Faris.
Anne Faris ba? Anna
Faris. Anna Faris. Yeah. She's the dumb blonde.
Yes.
Yeah, in the movie. Yeah. But
You
she,
like- you
she
like-
really looks dumb.
You like dumb blondes?
Yeah, of course.
Yes.
Why not?
Yeah, dumb blood with lots of boobs.
1 of 1 masterpiece, Thomas Keneally, author of The Schindler's List.
I thought it was...
I thought it was Jefferson.
Kennedy.
But, okay.
Oh, Schindler's List.
Schindler's List, author, Oh.
How about the one of
I thought, Steven Spielberg.
Ooh, nice autograph, ha?
1 of 1, Owen Roberts, U.S. Supreme Court Supreme Court Justice, died 1955.
No. Oh, that's
very
old.
old. Very old. Very old.
Hey, I think I'll get nice first than yours.
Shut up.
Yeah,
Jewel,
Uy,
Oh, si Jewel, the singer, huh?
Country singer.
Is she still alive?
Yes.
Nope. Still singing?
She's hot.
Huh?
Yes.
Really?
But she's sick. She's sick.
Cameraman says.
She's sick. She's hot.
Oh, temperature, ah.
Who's this? George. Star Trek. How do you pronounce? Takei?
George Takei.
Takeshi's
Takei. I think this is the Japanese guy. Yeah, the Japanese
Zulu?
guy.
Zulu?
George Takei.
Oh, never watched Star Trek.
Star
I don't
Trek is
know.
not my favorite. I love
Star
Star
Wars.
Wars.
Yeah,
Correct.
Star Wars.
Zane Grey again.
Again.
Last.
Last, and then we will start exhibition, and we will end with one more case of
Razor.
Razor. One masterpiece. Carl Rainier and James Garner.
Wait, James Garner is
James
known.
Garner is the father
Father of,
of
Jennifer.
Jennifer.
Garner.
Ah, ano ba?
Hey, let's start.
Okay.
With my side.
Let's hope that break
My side.
gives us a
My
good
side.
last 2 batches.
Wala.
Last 2 cases.
I hope there's something nice there.
Kalimutan mo na yung kalbo.
Please.
Ooh.
Oh, something nice.
He said, forget the bald guy.
Oh.
Paul Pierce. BJ Mullins.
Dwight
Oh,
Dwight
third.
Howard.
Ay, third for the night, no?
Who's this guy?
Devin
Devin
Harris.
Harris.
Not Travis Outlaw?
Oh,
Devon
Devon
Blair.
Blair.
good now.
And Melo.
Oh.
Not bad, Not bad,
Decent.
Decent.
More this time.
Why decent?
Show you.
Hey, because
I
you're
don't
wearing... I know why we're getting the Dwight Howards.
You're wearing
You're wearing the Orlando Magic shorts.
Yeah. Why are
But
you-
there's a
Even the
problem
LeBron,
now.
no?
It's Kobe.
Kobe. Usually it's Kobe, it's a Saki Pack.
Yeah.
No,
No. I think
Kobe.
it's good.
Let's change the fortunes.
I think it's good.
Stephen Curry.
Oh.
Auto
Paul
patch
Pierce.
number 2. Paul Pierce.
33.
See? Travis
Travis
Outlaw. You
You're
asked
asking
for it.
Travis Outlaw.
Pakita pag Kobe.
Terrence Williams.
Oh, pangit ng...
All
Small forwards.
Or all Denver.
Nuggets.
Dwayne Wade.
So far this year, when the first card, the base card is a Kobe card, we get a Saki pack.
Yeah. What's up with that Kobe?
a Saki player.
He's a...
No. He's the best player in the planet.
Of course not. It's LeBron.
No,
Of
it's
course
a-
not.
Kobe is a rapist.
LeBron is overrated.
Kobe's rapist.
Yes.
Rapist?
Yeah.
Of course not.
Like a cameraman, rapist.
Oh, you
Oh,
You couldn't forget that night,
When you got
Raped by the cameraman.
You can forget that,
Chase. Rookie flashback, Julius Irving.
Very good.
second.
Twice.
Very good. Oh, you want to stop
be careful, be careful.
You want to stop at only ball,
Jamal Crawford and
the Saki dunker.
But I'm still
Goodness.
saying,
Saki dunker.
I got 2 rookie flashbacks.
So let's see how good your team is.
Last. Brahim Menjai. I'm praying. Please, something nice.
I think so.
Okay.
Dirk Nowitzki,
Something nice.
Jeff Teague.
Oh.
Oh, goodness.
Oh my God, our names
We have to get a team up.
Mr.
Oh my
McGrady.
God, is that the one?
Yes, I think that's the one.
Oh fuck.
Derek
Shit.
Rose
Oh my God.
DeMar
Oh, another Saki dunker.
and OJ Mayo.
Oh my God.
All the, no?
Di ba Delawson ba? Tumali slam dunk?
Yeah.
All the excitement from the
Tato.
announcers and he couldn't perform the
Really?
Yes.
Yeah, it was a Saki.
Nate Robinson talaga nanalo, nakakaya naman yun.
Nate Robinson, if the ruling
Oh,
were...
no.
What?
Oh,
Oh,
is-
my God.
Ah!
If the ruling was like before, there's no redunk, Nate Robinson will never be a champion because every time he has a redunk,
He's mad, dude.
yeah, it's unlike Spadweb. All
Hey,
dunks of Spadweb.
Ay, wait,
already-
9 minutes, 20 seconds.
9 minutes.
Damn it.
Faster.
I hate Nate.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh my.
At least it's not Quentin,
I this is not Kevin Love.
Look,
Yes. James Harden. Okay.
Last,
We have to
last.
end on a good note.
Really fast.
Last 20
Oh my
seconds.
God, David, this is the retro Jordan.
Yes, let's end.
Retro Jordan, please.
Oh.
I got both retros eh.
Shut up.
Allen Iverson
Marcus Thornton.
and
Hoy, rookie match!
Peyton Manning.
Oh.
Joker.
Shut up.
Oh, that's all.
Crawford.
Joker.
Okay, Mark.
That's it. We'll see you again soon.
Well, bad guy choker. That's it.